All right, let's take a few minutes to discuss loans that are covered by HOEPA. HOEPA applies to the same loans that are subject to a right of rescission, which are closed-end home equity loans and closed-end loans made to refinance existing mortgages. In addition, purchase money mortgages encompassing residential mortgage transactions are now subject to the triggers and thresholds of HOEPA. In the past, HOEPA excluded this type of mortgage loan. Let's look at the disclosures required under HOEPA. Lenders must provide a disclosure to consumers at least 3 business days prior to consummation or account opening of a high-cost mortgage. The disclosure must be in writing and in a form the consumer may keep, and must also inform the consumer that the loan will not be effective until consummation or account opening occurs. It must also explain the consequences of default. It must disclose the loan terms such as the APR, amount borrowed, and monthly payment. And in the case of variable rate loans, the disclosure must also explain the maximum monthly payment that may be required under the terms of the loan or credit plan. There is required wording you must include in this disclosure, which you will find in section 1026.32C1. In addition, Appendix H to Regulation Z also contains some sample disclosures. Sample H16 illustrates the disclosures required under section 1026.32C. HOEPA also established some prohibited acts. Under 12 CFR 1026.34, the following predatory lending practices are prohibited: loan flipping, lending without due regard for a borrower's ability to repay the loan, direct payments to home improvement contractors, and evading the provisions of HOEPA by documenting the loan as open-end credit or other practices such as splitting closed-end loans to evade the points and fees trigger. Furthermore, HOEPA includes prohibitions on the following for high-cost home loan transactions: due-on-demand clauses, balloon payments, negative amortization, advance payments, increases in interest rate after default, and prepayment penalties.